Starting up now. Isn't that quick? Okay, so quit that. Sorry if I'm not talking much. Just can't be bothered today. This screen is amazingly sharp, by the way. You really have to see one in person to know how great they look. Problem with this is I don't have an external drive, so I'm constantly swapping discs. And 800K discs seem to work better than the high density 1.44 megabyte ones. But the 1.4 megabyte ones work, you just have to format them to 800K, but it's a multi-speed drive, so it will not work in any other Macintosh unless you format the disk in a single-speeded drive from like a Macintosh 2CI. So all my disks are formatted using my 2CI. Seems to work the best. I do have a copy of Shuffle Puck, but since that will require swapping disks, I'm going to play Crystal Quest, which I put on the system boot up disk, because I'm that much of a maniac. I love this keyboard. Really clunky. The C button is a bit sticky, but well, not sticky, but dodgy. And it is very dark outside. Whoa, creepy. Anyway, return to skip instructions, okay. Now we click, big brick of a mouse, I love it. This is the one that was shipped with the original Mac in '84. Let's play some Crystal Quest. I've never played it in black and white before. It's always been on my 2CI. Oh, it doesn't work on my classic for some reason. But this is far better than a classic. Yeah, the screen is much better. But there's no cooling fan. This has that kind of spark that the classic doesn't. It's a very nice system to run. Now, what else do I have? Oh. Alright, I will give Shufflepuck a try. I think I have it on this disc. Let's just pray that I do. Mac Paint does not work. I don't know why, but it just doesn't want to run. Looks like that'll be the program that my Classic has to run. Also came with this neat carrying case, which is pretty cool. And some weird adapter thing I've never seen before. Don't know what it does. Insert system tools. Please insert the apps disk. Yes, here we go. It's running now. Oh, this mouse is awful. Right, it runs at a really nice speed on this. Oh, the mouse is too slow. Got a really slow game ahead. Oh dear. Come on, let me get at least 1 point. Oh, come on, that was silly. I usually win against this guy. What's going on? Yes, I just wanted to hear that. That's the whole reason I fired up the game, just to hear that. Good chat. Of course, this is actually the original disc. Okay, gonna shut the system down. And there you go, shut down. How about that? Well, that's my Macintosh Plus.